Good morning, everyone. I am going to discuss about the degree comparison of adjectives. The objectives of our lesson is to identify the word that show the degrees of comparison of adjectives and to write sentences that show comparison of adjectives. Before we start our lesson, I have here a three set of pictures. So we start with set A. As you can see, this is a picture of a plant. Look at the first plant. Plant 1 is small. Plant 2 is smaller than plant 1. And plant 3 is the smallest among them all. So the underlined words are small, smaller, and smallest. Let us move on to the set B. So this is a picture of a flute. So I am going to read the sentences. The first sentence is this flute is long. The second sentence is this flute is longer than the first. And the last sentence is this flute is the longest of them all. The underlined words are long, longer, and longest. So let's move on to the set C, which is a picture of a plate. Again, I will read the sentences. Sentence 1 is Lisa's plate is big. Number 2, Mia's plate is bigger than Lisa's plate. Number 3, Chella's plate is the biggest among the three girls. The underlined words are big, bigger, and biggest. So this set of pictures or set of sentences has something to do with our topic for today. Our topic for today is all about the 3 degrees of comparison. An adjective has 3 degrees of comparison, namely positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. So, what do you mean by positive degree? Positive degree simply describes person or things. For example, the artist tree is tall. Next, comparative degree. Compares two person or things. Add er or for one syllable. For example, the mango tree is taller than the artist tree. Superlative degree. It compares 3 or more persons or things. Add est for one syllables adjectives. For example, the acacia tree is the tallest of them all. And also add most for 2 or more syllables adjectives. For example, Carlos is the most intelligent boy in the class. So the word tall simply describes persons or things, which is positive degree. The word taller compares two persons or things, which means it is comparative degree. And the word tallest compares 3 or more person or things, which is called superlative degree. Tall, taller, and tallest are examples of 3 degrees of comparison. So let's have the activity 1. The direction is to underline the adjectives in each sentence. Identify whether it shows positive, comparative, or superlative degree. So get one whole sheet of paper. The first one is done for you. So number 1, Bukidnon is the home to the largest pineapple plantation in the country. So the answer is largest. The word largest is a superlative degree. Number 2, Zamboanga City is famous for its colorful bintas. Number 3, it is funnier to go to the park than to the mall. Number 4, my essay is longer than Jeremy's essay. Number 5, from Manila, Baguio City is farther than Tagaytay City. Okay, for the next activity, we are going to complete the table. So I have here the 3-column positive, comparative, superlative, degree. So number 1 is already done. Cold, colder, coldest. So positive degree is also given. So number 1 cold, number 2 sharp, number 3 clear, number 4 funny, number 5 tasty, number 6 cute, number 7 tall, number 8 wide, number 9 dark, and number 10 is large. So for the last activity, we're going to, so the direction is each adjective has a comparative and superlative form. In each row, write the 2 missing words. For example, big, bigger, biggest. Okay, next, blank, taller, blank. Number 3, blank, blank, smallest. Number 4, fat, blank, blank. And for the last number, blank, sweater, blank. For your assignment, look around you, list some 5 adjectives, then write the degrees of comparison of each word. You may ask any family member to help you. Be sure that you know the meaning of the word that described. Write your answer in your vocabulary bank notebook. An example is given, big, bigger, biggest. Thank you for listening.